Hello everyone, welcome to class 76 of Kerala PSC HSA English. I'm Sri Lakshmi. Today's topic is teaching learners with disability from the last module, teaching of English. So, let's start. Learning disability means a disorder in or more of the psychological process involved in understanding or using language, spoken or written. It causes an imperfect ability to listen, think, speak, read, write, or to do mathematical calculations. It does not include those children who have learning problems due to mental retardation, environmental, or cultural disadvantage. It leads to a distinct gap between one's potential and actual achievement, which requires special attention and remedial measures. Now, let's say the characteristics of learning disabled. They have information processing difficulties. They have difficulties in the acquisition and use of language, reasoning, or mathematical ability. They will have symptoms of hyperactivity. They will have emotional problems. They will show anxiety, worry, etc. They demonstrate a significant difference between their learning potential and actual educational achievement. They exhibit disorders of memory, thinking, attention, perception, etc. They require special attention, care, and remedial measures. Now, what are the causes of learning disabilities? It can be genetic or hereditary factors, organic and physiological factors, and environmental factors. Now, let's see some of the learning disabilities. First one is dyslexia. It affects reading and related language based processing skills. It is sometimes referred to as language based learning disability. Next is dyscalculia. It affects a person's ability to understand numbers and learn math facts. The learner may also have difficulty in telling time and memorizing and organizing numbers. Next one is dysgraphia. It affects a person's handwriting ability and fine motor skills. Learners may also face difficulty in thinking and writing at the same time. Next is dyspraxia. There will be problems with movement and coordination, language, and speech. It often exists along with dyslexia, dyscalculia, or ADHD. Next topic is teaching learners with disability. Teachers can use differentiated instruction. They can use assistive and instructional technology. Use of computer, audio tapes will definitely help. Teachers should teach organizational skills, study skills, and learning strategies. Teachers can arrange special remedial and educational programs. Teachers should establish a positive working relationship with the students' parents. Teachers have a major role in creating a suitable and pleasant learning atmosphere for learners with disability. So that's all for today. Hope you have enjoyed the class. Thank you.